Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me again today. I don't know why I'm holding my diary. I just wanted to do more natural, no makeup look. Attempted. We are going to be trying that. What motivated me to do a look like this was just because you have not noticed. Oh, I got eyelash extensions on Thursday. I just never got eyelash extensions before. I just really wanted them. I didn't want to do like the full set because I thought that'd be a bit too much. I just got a classic set, so it's more natural looking. I'm going to start off with some Spotlight Primer. Very, very glowy, just a little bit. This glow, it just makes me so happy. Anyway, update on Thursday. I did not end up passing my exam, sadly, but I was so close. Literally, if I had like 5 more minutes left on the exam, I would have passed because I was so close. Oh, I learned so much that exam though, so I think next time I will definitely pass it. And I'm actually very happy that I failed that time because I know I just came out of it learning so much more because I knew I studied and I knew I gave it my all. So even on top of that, learning so much even in this, because again, it's a practical exam, so you don't know what's going to be thrown at you. It's like literally everything. But yeah, I think also some of it was nerves too, so it's okay. I'm just going to become more and more confident, which is good, and comfortable with my exam. What I really want to try is this Physicians Formula BB cream. I actually really love this stuff. It's so natural. I was like, I want to do eyeshadow, but I have no idea how to apply eyeshadow with falsies. I mean, I guess you apply them like normal eyeshadow, but I'm just so paranoid my like lashes will fall out fast. I don't know, I'm just so paranoid. So for this video, we will just stay away from eyeshadow. Yeah, look at that. It's like instant coverage. Literally all this foundation does is just even out your skin tone and just shows your imperfections still. Yeah, you still see like pretty much all my scars, but it still is so natural. The point is just like evening out your skin tone, and again, going for that no makeup look, because despite me having like a bunch of acne and scars, I still think there's nothing wrong with embracing your imperfections and letting some stuff shine through. So that is what I'm doing today, and just kind of reassuring and letting you all know that it's totally fine to let your imperfections shine through, and even honestly don't even wear makeup, like just to practice self-love. I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Honestly, the amount of times I just use this concealer as a foundation is like insane. I've always used this concealer as a foundation during like my very dark acne days. That and like the Marc Jacobs is so good just in problem areas where like pimples are just like cray. And I'm just gonna take a tinier brush, just dabbing it in. Again, don't rub, always dab. Dab it, dab. Okay, I'm never gonna try to dab because I just threw my my makeup brush. That's a sign that I'm not supposed to be doing that. Anyway, I hope you all are having an amazing week so far. Well, I guess start to the week, it's only Sunday. I can't believe we're almost at 30,000 subscribers. It's mind-blowing to me. I am like so thankful for like literally every single one of you. And just, oh, I love you all so much. It just, you all make me so happy. Oh yeah, I forgot to moisturize. This is Glory Lips by Sonya Driver. Very, very smelly. Super nice. I'm just gonna quickly do some brows. Anastasia Beverly Hills, favorite product for my brows. I still can never find something that will replace it. It's so good. Oh man, I just like cannot believe it's almost 2020. Like in a million years, I never thought I would ever see the day where 2020 would come. I don't know, it's like, it just sounds so weird, but I'm excited at the same time because I feel like I've grown so much this year that like 2020 is just gonna be one of those years to kind of further 2019 because like I've done so much self-discovery, and just again with YouTube, everything is just kind of you know, slowly but surely falling into place, which I really like it. So, you know, comment down below any of your resolutions if you have any, or just things that you're already working on and just want to kind of take it to the next level in 2020. That's kind of the plan and position I am in currently. 2019, I was just kind of like struggling to find my place in this world, in this very confusing earth. Once I finally found my passion and my place where I belong, now 2020 is again the year of just more self-development and just kind of furthering what I'm doing now. Oh yeah, definitely let me know what you all are up to. I'm very curious, and we can all just kind of talk and motivate each other. Get a head start, a month a head start before 2020 starts, so we could be prepared. I'm just gonna be taking light medium in Bye Bye Under Eye, It Cosmetics. As you all know, my favorite concealer. It is just so good. Oh my gosh, I feel like my eyes cross so much. I can never apply concealer like a normal person. I'm so paranoid though. I don't know if I should put concealer on top of my eyes. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it. Oh yeah, like honestly, you can't even tell. That is why I love that concealer so much. Like literally, it is like the most natural concealer I've ever tried in my life. It's so nice. Anyway, yeah, my eyelids, they're a bit pink, but whatever. This is a no makeup look, and we're just trying to show off our imperfections, so it's okay. So I'm gonna just set my face quickly with the Coty Airspun. Just kind of very lightly. I'm taking the most minimal powder. Very minimal makeup is the goal. Yeah, you can again still see some acnes, but it is okay. Embrace the flaws, because they're not flaws. They are perfect the way you're perfect the way you are, which is true. I'm actually going to the gym right after pretty much I film and edit this, so I'm probably gonna be washing this off like pretty soon. Anyway, that is also kind of what I'm trying to do more. I'm going to the gym more often, which is nice. Again, just kind of working on myself. Mentally, physically, emotionally, all that kind of good stuff. I'm just going to bronze quickly with my butter bronzer, which happens to be in this palette, which I still love. Casey Holmes palette. Literally, it's like the best. I keep both of the lipstick and fragrance in my backpack for school, and it's like the best thing ever. But yeah, I'm going to take the butter bronzer because it's such a natural dewy bronzer. Again, the most buttery bronzer I've tried. It's like almost satiny. Really enjoying it. Basically today all I did was I like woke up. Okay, my apartment is so messy. So I just started cleaning, like literally deep cleaning, like vacuuming, disinfecting everything, because like I'm a germaphobe. Like I do not want to get sick at all. I've been so lucky. In 2019 I did not get sick once, which is like insane. I'm just gonna try to keep that streak, and despite people saying it's flu season, I'm mentally stronger than that, and I'm going to mentally convince myself that it's not flu season, and I'm going to not get sick this year, because again, I feel like a lot of it has to do with your mindset. Obviously also like make sure you wash your hands and like use hand sanitizer. Like I do that like crazy, but also I think a lot of it is mindset, because also if you're stressed in your life, surprisingly stress in itself, it's a mental battle, but at the same time it does turn into a physical battle, because it does bring a lot of health problems and health issues. There's a lot of people getting heart attacks because of stress, and it's just such a sad thing to go through and to like witness. Definitely make sure you're taking care of yourself mentally in that sense, because your mind, man, it's powerful. I feel like a lot of people get sick honestly just because they convince themselves that it is flu season, or like maybe it's flu season because everyone's stressed starting school and work again. Who knows? I don't know. It's a theory, but I mean, I feel like it's such a strong thing. Again, like our mind is so powerful. Make sure whatever you're consuming, whatever you're thinking is the healthiest possible choices you can be making, and then in result, you will not get sick. And yeah, make sure you're like eating well, again, making sure everything's sanitized and you should be good. Even in my class, there's a lot of people that have been sick, and like I've surprisingly never caught anything from anyone, so that is great. I'm gonna be taking my, of course, favorite blush in 20 Satin Love Essence. It is my favorite blush. Oh my gosh, it just makes me feel so happy. Anyway, so I was actually writing in my diary earlier on today, because again, I cleaned my whole apartment, did a huge deep clean, did a little salsa, a little samba. And then I did some stretching, body brushing, and then I just went straight to my daily planner, which is here. My daily planner, I've been writing 2 days ahead. And then my happy journal, as you all know. Would know if you watch my How to Be Confident with Acne video. And then my actual diary, which I've been writing in 2 hours, I think, today. I don't know what was going through my head. I wrote something about rejection, because I think that was really bugging me. I think that was on my mind a lot this past week. I can read you something from it. I'm just going to quickly apply highlight, and then I still have to find my lipstick, so I'll do that after. I actually really wanted to apply one of these Naked Cosmetics highlighters because they're not like your typical colored highlight, despite this being a very like natural no makeup look. I actually want to use like one of these crazy metallic kind of neon highlighting shades. Kind of want to use a pink one. It's kind of like a duochrome. Oh yeah, this one was the one that has like flecks of purple and pink at the same time. This is just pink. So I think I'm just gonna use a nice pink one so it'll still look natural. Yeah, if you're going to like a music festival though, or like a rave, these highlighters, man, oh, they're insane, especially this blue one or this green one. These highlighters are just so unique. They don't say any like shade names. Ooh, there we go. Oh yeah, so intense. Highlighters are the highlight of my day. Yeah, this is so pink. Honestly, any of these would be such a good eyeshadow topper. Cupid's bow. Oh my god. Look at the nice sweaty upper lip. Which is, you know, what we're going for apparently in this look. My nose. Okay, so honestly, I'm just gonna be vulnerable right now and just read you what I wrote to this morning in my diary. I don't know why I'm doing this. Literally, this is such like an intimate like thing, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I don't know. I feel like maybe any of you who can like relate if you're in the same position as me, or like maybe you're going to or have been. I feel like maybe this will help you or benefit you and we can relate in a way, hopefully. But anyway, it's about like rejection. So anyway, pretend this is a caller. Let me have my speaking voice. I really need to up my charisma skills. Straight up. I'm doing some self-reflecting and I realize how much more outgoing I am compared to even high school or even last year, because I have like, you know, improved a lot just because, again, I've been forced in a lot of positions where I had to, you know, get out of my comfort zone. I'm getting better at interacting every single day. I'm going to be definitely more interactive in the upcoming weeks for sure. And continuing onwards. Oh yeah, this is like a weird thing. Oh man, again, this is just me opening up. So, oh, I feel so awkward doing this, but I'm gonna just do it anyway. Here it goes. Okay. So I'm going to be more socially interactive this coming up week and onwards. I still have some issues and fears with talking or initiating to girls specifically. I think it's because I don't have any sisters and I was surrounded by guys like the majority of my life, like obviously, yeah, brothers, fathers. Also, I find that a lot more guys initiate more conversations with me more so than girls. So I think I'm just going to have to start to be the initiator, because I have to think too, like one of my best friends in like, when I used to go to university and like we both were in calculus class, I literally made one of my best friends and she happened to also be vegan, and like we would have never been together if like I haven't done a lot of the initiating, and if I actually never got the courage to actually initiate and start a friendship with her, like this probably wouldn't have happened. Especially the older we get, I think the more reserved and back off we kind of get towards everyone around people in general. So yeah, again, I wrote here, so it's not that people are ignorant when it comes to talking to making friends, it's literally most of the time because they themselves are too shy to make the first move. In result, that doesn't leave the people that don't initiate with too many options. So really, the more you initiate, the more opportunities you have to make amazing and fun relationships. This goes for dating as well. The more you put yourself out there, initiate, the higher chances you get to meet someone you adore, will be whatever the person of your dreams. But this seems simple. The only problem is that people hate and are afraid of rejection. This goes into rejection now. So therefore, if you never go out and initiate on anything at all, the result of that will be never having to get rejected. The only problem is that you end up in the exact same place where you began, whether it's being single, having no friends, loneliness, because you never took the risk to be rejected. Taking that chance in order to potentially meet amazing people. The most successful people in the world were also the people that got the most rejection. They took the rejection as a learning opportunity to better themselves or to love themselves, therefore gaining more and more confidence along the way with every rejection that they encountered. And it's so true. People are so afraid of becoming rejected, so therefore they're like, okay, well, if I never initiate in the first place and I don't initiate to try to meet new people, then I won't get rejected. But that's a problem, because then you end up again, still in the same position as you were before. So at the end of the day, if you push yourself to take that leap of faith to go out and talk to someone new, there will be almost 100% guarantee that they will respond to you positively. The majority of the time, they will be so thankful that you did initiate first, because people are just shy. We mistaken shyness for quote unquote B word itchiness, stuck openness, or just being mean or conceited. Chances are they aren't stuck up, they just want to talk to you as much as you want to talk to them. Again, it's about making the interaction a reality and being the confident and courageous one that decides to do it in the first place. But yeah, that is literally what I wrote in my diary this morning. I just kind of word vomited. I'm gonna quickly grab lipstick. I'm going to just take my infamous Rebel Rose, because that is literally the only lipstick I've been wearing for like the past month. In a time where social media is so prominent and we're all just stuck on our phones, the anxiety rates have gone up. Everyone is just so nervous and honestly more shy than ever. So again, what I was thinking then was like so true though, honestly. I'm just gonna top it off with my Tarte lip paint because it's just so nice. Anyway, again, a lot of people like to blame their anxiety for them, you know, and kind of use that as an excuse to not go out and force yourself to get out of your comfort zone. I dealt with like major anxiety, like social anxiety in middle school, like as an actual thing, because again, like it was bad. It was like one of those things where it's like I was trying to force words come out of my mouth, but they would just not, like I couldn't say anything. So that's again why I've like just been writing that, and I've improved so much in general. But yeah, again, like at a time we have an abundance to so much connection, but yet everyone's so lonely. And I think it's because, again, people, they like lost that sense of going out and like they're not forcing themselves to create opportunities for themselves. It's easier said than done. I'm still struggling every single day. But yeah, it's definitely a process. Again, no one's perfect, right? We all have our days. I think this week I want you all to at least do even one thing just out of your comfort zone, to just say like hi to someone, or just ask someone for their name, or compliment them on something that they're wearing. Super simple things like that. I think it'll make someone's day, and who knows where that will lead. And yeah, it'll be a much happier place if people were just more open and not as closed off. So yeah, anyway, this is the final look. Very, again, interesting because I've not put anything, literally no makeup at all on my top lashes, so I feel it's very interesting. But I'm getting used to my lashes. It's just a very, again, very quick thing going on. And yeah, if you're doing your makeup with me, hopefully this video could start this week, or your week on the right note. Anyway, if you like these videos, please subscribe. I post every Sunday and Thursday, and I hope to see you in the next video. Okay, peace.